Hey everybody, it's Ross here with Northern Technology Services. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a file or document in another program. This kind of goes along with our other one where we went and chose our default programs. This lets us define it down to the file level. So in this case example, we've got a PDF and a picture up here on the screen. We're going to start off with everybody's favorite, the PDF. So we currently have Adobe Reader installed on this computer. And when we open up a PDF, it currently opens it in Adobe Reader. Now, let's say we don't want to open it in Adobe Reader. We want to open up in the web browser because for some reason we just don't like Adobe Reader. So we're going to take our document. We're going to right click on that document. We're going to choose Open With right down here. And then you'll see we've got some quick options right here that actually automatically populate pulling from the computer. If for some reason you didn't see your option there, you can come here to choose another app. So then from here, we get our options. Here's a couple applications. We can look for the app in the store, or we can click more apps and find more apps to open this up in. In this case, we're going to choose Microsoft Edge. Now let's take this to, we don't ever want to use Adobe Reader again for a PDF. So we're going to click Microsoft Edge, and then we're going to choose this checkbox here. Always use this app to open .pdf files, and we're going to click OK. So now we've opened this file up here. It's now open in the Edge browser for the PDF reader. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And you'll notice here the icon itself actually changed to a more traditional PDF document. And now if we double click on it and open her up, it continues to open up in Edge. So now let's say we decide, we don't want PDFs to open in the browser again. What do we do? So we're going to go ahead and right click on that guy again, and we're going to choose Open With, and we're going to go ahead and select Adobe Reader. So now this just does that one-time fix that we talked about. Okay, all right, I like it. Let's go back to it permanently. Let's right click on that, Open With, choose another app to get our big dialog box. Click on Adobe Reader and make sure it's highlighted. Check the box, always use this app to open .pdf files, and we're going to click OK on that bad boy. All right, now we're back to forever opening PDFs in Adobe Reader. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. We get kind of similar options here with pictures as well. So right now this picture just opens right up in Photos, just like kind of every picture does on your computer. So let's say we don't want to do that. We want to open up pictures. We've got another app or something like that we want to open up pictures in. So we can come down here to our Open With. We get a couple quick options. I'm going to go ahead and make that bigger. So we can choose to use old-fashioned Paint, new Paint 3D. We can open this up in the Snip and Sketch, or we can look for another app in the Microsoft Store, or maybe see some other compatible apps that may be on this computer. So in this case, let's go ahead and change that to Paint, and we're going to click OK. So now you see we just open up that photo on Paint so we can edit it if we wanted to make a change. And then as you saw, for example, Photoshop is installed on this computer. Photoshop is an option. So that's just some of the kind of cool things you can do. I'm going to close that bad boy out. And now remember, I didn't check that box. So now that we open this again, we're opening up in Photos. So here's just kind of the quick tip of the day, how to set default apps. Like I said, we're clicking on the app, the program that or the file that we want to open. We're going to right click on that bad boy, come down here to the Open With. That is your best friend. Alrighty, so that's all we got today. Thanks for watching, and come back for more.